Okay, hello guys. So today I will just make a very short video on my fidget spinner. My fidget spinners. So this is just one of my fidget spinner. And this is like a small fidget spinner. I got the black one. I got this one at BXC. And I'll show you my other ones. Okay, so I'm back with my other fidget spinners. Here's one. And the other one, it's just inside this case. And then this is a rare fidget spinner. Okay, let me open it. Okay, so here it is. It's not as well as my black fidget spinner. You see, that's a problem. It stops spinning late. So it doesn't spin for a long time, so it's not, I don't really call it a rare, but here's the next one. Here it is. So this fidget spinner is really cool. I'll show you. A fidget spinner can make other fidget spinners, such as this one, and this one, and also this one. Okay, so that's the end of the video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment and like. Bye.